Okay, I started then ended in grade 2 in Sudan. Then I came and started a fresh year in Kenya because that was the way to go. I didn't understand the system then, but as time goes, you get used to it. I prefer the Kenyan system because the the system in Sudan it's a bit lower than here in Kenya. There's not that much info, but Kenyan competency based curriculum it's okay. Honestly speaking, I didn't expect it to be this fair, but from the results that I got, I was really surprised. I was really happy. I was jumping in joy. But I didn't expect. I thought that according to the grading system, foreigners would be ranked a bit lower. But I'm very grateful for the grading that they did. I would like to be a doctor. I want to cure many diseases or even be a scientist so that I can find the cure to mainly those that affect the brain like Alzheimer's and brain tumors.
I got 65 points. I used to study a lot, and I used to put God first in everything that I was doing. And also I used to study smart, and also my teachers, they were really doing a great job in offering us the best education. They were offering us the best quality education that enabled us to go to pass our examination.